Understanding Employee Ratings, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, employee rating. This concept is common in professional environments, and understanding it can be very helpful in a workplace context. Let's dive in. Employee rating refers to the evaluation of an employee's performance by their supervisors or managers. It's a system used to assess various aspects of a worker's job performance, including skills, achievements, and overall contribution to the company. Ratings can range from poor to excellent and often influence decisions about promotions, raises, and sometimes employment status. Understanding employee ratings is crucial because they play a significant role in career growth and job stability. Good ratings can lead to better job opportunities, higher salaries, and more responsibilities. Conversely, poor ratings might indicate areas where improvement is needed and can sometimes lead to job loss. Employee ratings often consider several factors. 1. Quality of work. How well tasks are completed. 2. Productivity. The amount of work done in a given time. 3. Teamwork. Ability to work well with others. 4. Attendance. Regularity and punctuality in showing up to work. To improve your rating, set personal goals and work diligently towards them. Seek feedback from your supervisor to understand areas for improvement. Be proactive in taking on new tasks and responsibilities. Communicate effectively with your team and supervisors. Receiving a rating often comes with feedback. It's important to listen carefully and ask questions if something is unclear. Use the feedback to make positive changes in your work habits and attitude. Employee ratings are a key part of professional growth and development. Understanding and improving your employee rating can lead to numerous benefits in your career. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session. Happy learning!